Hello and welcome back to River Styx Media. I'm Styx and today we are looking at unboxing the Blade Liger AB model kit from Kotobukiya. Got this kit at Torchlight Games and Hobbies, so I'll be sure to leave a link down below to their website, as well as a discount code for any model kits on their website. Let's get right into the video and hope you enjoy the video. Alright, we always look at the box art first, so the box art on the Zoid kits is always truly spectacular, and you have the Blade Liger here up in the air, you got a Death Stinger down here, looks like there's a Genosaur, a couple other Zoids in the background. Looks amazing. On this side, have a little bit of the story and all the consumer info. On this side, just a cut down of the top of the box, which I believe will be the same on the other side. On this side, just some features of it. Comes with decals, shows the weapons, shows the cockpit. So I'm not going to bother looking at this side because it's the same as this side. So yeah, next we will open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got inside here. We gotta do it a little bit differently because I can't fit both boxes on the table, so we're gonna try and get through this quick. So, looks like all cables. Looks like cables and inner frame, some armor, more armor. Looks like that actually looks like parts that hold the blades. Inner frame and the blades. Looks like looks like parts of the joints, some vents. Looks like parts of the head. Maybe parts, some blade parts, some accent parts. Also parts, well that'll be parts of the body, probably connections. That's probably something for the blades. You have your accent parts. Joint covers. Polycaps. I'm guessing that's parts of the head. Joints. Cabling. And what the cables go into. So that'll be parts of the body. Two different kinds of cockpits. You got your clear and you got your clear orange. some springs, Zoid core, and more cabling. That's probably what connects the head to the body or the body to the tail. All your poly caps. Let's throw these all back in without anything falling. Got your white armor. That'll be parts of the head. Armor for the probably the body and the legs and the tail. Inner frame and accents. More inner frame, looks like for the legs. Looks like some cabling there. More inner frame. Possibly weapons. Tail. Leg joints. Possibly parts of the feet. More parts of the feet. Parts of the legs. So, yeah. Next we will look at the instruction manual separate. So that this isn't overly long. But looks like a decent amount of parts. Like a really decent amount of parts. So yeah. Just throw these in real quick. Alright, we're just going to do a quick flip through of the instruction manual. So, so you got story and an action scene there. You got your decals. I believe the water transfer. Just slide that under there. So more story. You got some wireframe. Okay, so those gray parts were actually the vent, where the blades are stored, or their boosters. No, that's where the blades are stored. Okay, so now we know that. So you got some more wireframe on this side, as well as wireframe there. I love that they have these. They're not really wireframes. They're more like concept sketches. I love that the Zoids have that in all the instruction manuals. So you got more there. You got your replacement parts card. Parts list. So we're just gonna... So yeah, it just... You start with the head like you always do. Then the body. You have the three parts of the body, and then the tail. Oh, is that the yeah? Then the tail, and then you do the. I didn't miss a page, did I? No, I didn't. It looks a lot more technical than the usual Liger I've built. I know from friends' experience, they hate building the Blade Ligers because the blades are finicky. But then you need the legs. You build the 4 paws first, then you build the legs. And then assembly. And it shows how to deploy the blades. You got more wireframes. Or, sorry, concept art. I keep calling it wireframes. I don't know why. Been playing a lot of Mass Effect and Mass Effect 2, and it's all wireframe stuff, so. Paint guide. Oh, I don't know if that's an alternate paint guide, or is that just for the blades? This might be for part of it, for the main body, and then this is for your blades and your claws. Then water decal applications. And then some action poses. Shows the Zoid cores, the weapons. Okay. So those are guns. And then you've got the blades. Okay. I wasn't sure about that. So yeah. Next I will do some final thoughts and go from there. So that was the Blade Liger AB Zoid by Kotobukiya. Looks like it's got some pretty fine parts, as every Kotobukiya model kit does. Looks like it'll look pretty cool when it's all done. I have been warned that the blades can be a little finicky when assembling, so I'll have to keep an eye out for that. Yeah, it looks cool. I love the Zoid kits. I haven't built the Blade Liger yet, so looking forward to building it. So that'll be a future time-lapse video, I can tell you that right now. So yeah, not much else to say other than the usual. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that fun stuff. Even comment, it all helps video get out there, and we'll see you in the next one.